John of Art here. We're doing a different tour of Sagada this time. We're going to tour obscure places. This is Bugang, the first settlement in Sagada. But the houses here now are bigger and more modern because of the migration of people. Lately, it is said that the people prefer to grow vegetables which have more harvest season in a year, unlike growing rice, where is called inatep, or a native Igorot hut. It looks small with a tall roof, but actually it is 3 stories high. I think it's cool down there. This is a pig pen. It looks like a stone well, and there's a little cave in there for the pig to hide in extreme weather conditions. The waste product of the pig goes out there and into as fertilizer to the plants. It has been here for 5 years, and it is said that the cogon roofing lasts for 10 years. So let's get inside. It's got a low entrance, and wow, this is the living room area. It's got a fireplace. Cool. This is the living room. Down there, there's a bamboo ladder, and you can climb up to the 2nd level. It looks like a bedroom. And upstairs, ano yun sa taas?
Yan na yung last.
That's the last level. There's an attic place, a stock room, or a spare room. Ang lamig dito. It's cool. It's really cool. Wow, just to be in this hut. Cool. Temperature is also cool. And to think this is noontime. The only modern facility probably is the electric light. Dap-ay is a ceremonial place.
Also a sacred place.
A sacred place where the natives
gather.
they gather. It's a small place, so how do they gather in there?
They have the...
There's a bigger so this one.
There's also another room in here.
Yes, yeah. So there's a room inside, but it's locked to keep the kids from coming in and scattering. I see Red Horse beer and Ginebra. What's that? Is that part of the ritual?
Some had
The feathers are from the chickens. They have slaughtered the pinikpikan way for the sacrifice. Next stop. So let's get inside again and see what's cooking. I could already smell what's cooking. There's a viewing deck right here where you could get a great view of the Sagada rice terraces. There's a balcony up there where you could also view the amazing sights of Sagada. And of course, get inside. There's the Sagada cellar door. You have to book a reservation in order to be accepted here for dinner. That's the restaurant. And there's a bonfire gathering. Very nice. Cozy. It's indeed a cellar. There's a fireplace. People having dinner here at the bar of Cellar Door with the owners, Sting Girl, and your husband Andrew, and Mike Corey as well. Yeah, subscribe to his channel. All right, thank you. This is Joan of Art from Sagada. Until our next video, bye for now. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.